So here we have a split fire 2265. Now, these are a popular machine for split fire, and we have a lot of phone calls where people ask, what's the size limit of wood we can split on a 2265? So I got a nice pile of maple, a little bit of locust here. I'm going to show you guys what this thing can split. People might not always split this type of wood, but with a lifter, we can split some bigger rounds. So you'll guys see what we can do today. All right, so here we got a chunk of 12-inch. This is easy work for a 2265. There'll be nothing fantastic about this. We'll run 3/4 throttle. I don't need to run full speed. All right, so here we got a chunk of 16-inch, a little bit larger, shouldn't be too big of a deal. Lifter comes in real handy. This here might be, I don't know, 24 inches, but a little more on the one side, but let's give her a crack here. Even if it's a harder wood that's really difficult to split, you don't always have to hit it right in the middle either. So, on a piece like this, just like I would with an axe, if I was splitting with a maul or something like that, I might hit it off the edge first to break it, and then from there I can go farther. So that's what we'll do with this piece here. And I'm also going to split on the outstroke where I got the most power on these bigger sections. So there you can see there's a knot section in this chunk here, and on the return stroke got a little less power, so we're going to go ahead and get that knife off. Now, you don't need a maul or an axe to pop this off. Easy thing to do is grab a small chunk of wood, piece like that, there you go. So if it does get stuck on the wedge, you just take a small piece, keep that handy because you might need it maybe 1 or 2 times a day, pops it off. So we're gonna flip this around, and just for video sakes, we're gonna split it in the same spot on the outstroke to see if it will split it. Nope. So again, pop it off. And we can move it over just a bit, and I'll split it no problem. That's a hard piece of wood. And there you can see why. Kind of just cutting right through that big knot in there. It doesn't produce very nice firewood because it's just so knotty, but it's still burnable. All right, let's go find, see if we can't find one bigger piece, and then that should kind of show where we're at. It's definitely heavy. So this is really the max size I would ever split on a 2265, maybe a little more. It's a fairly long piece. There's a lot of weight here, and I wouldn't, without a log lifter, I would say absolutely not happening. All right, there you got it. We got a couple different sizes through. Really, the big stuff is not a big issue. I mean, as long as you have a log lifter, it makes a world of a difference. You know, I've been splitting now for half hour. I didn't break a sweat, and that's the way I like it. So you can see the bigger stuff, not a problem. You know, do you have to pick and choose sometimes? Yeah, you might need to in certain spots, but it's not like it's impossible by no means at all. So if you got more questions, give us a call at the office or see more at split-fire.com or our YouTube channel, and have a great weekend.